Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig. If you want to know all the details about this wig, stick around. So this hair is from Donmily Hair. It's beautiful. It is a 13x4 highlighted wig. It is 150 density. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video. Have the wig installed and she's looking gorgeous. I have a side part going on right now, but I do want to switch it over to a middle part and see what it looks like, because then we'll have more highlights throughout the hair. But I definitely wanted to show you guys what it looks like this. Look at the lace, you guys. It is pretty melted. I did bleach the knots. I didn't do anything to the color. This is how I received it, and then I installed it. I didn't do any plucking or anything like that. I would recommend, if you're getting this wig, maybe get it in a higher density. This is the type of hairstyle that you like. If you like your wigs to be on the thin side where it does look pretty natural, then this might be for you. But personally for me, I prefer my wigs to be fuller. So like I want more volume here and also throughout the bottom of the unit. But I love the color of it. Like I didn't think I was gonna love it, but once I put it on and I saw how nicely the lace melted, I was like sold. I was like, yeah, this is it. I need to train this hair back down. This is probably one of the most pretty highlighted wigs I've seen. What I really like about this particular unit, the blonde is very blonde. Like it is a very almost platinum blonde, and that is hard to achieve. Cute. What do you guys think? Does it look cute? Does it look better with the side part or like this? I am a middle part girl, so for me personally, I always want to go for a middle part. Like even though it's highlighted and it's bright blonde, like it looks like this could be my hair, which I really like. I love how natural the hairline is. Like it looks so realistic, you guys. So yeah, the density, it's just the only thing that I would say could be improved. But other than that, like, this is the hair that you want to get for the summer. Check them out, you guys, because this wig is beautiful. Like, it's constructed so nicely. From the lace to the color, the highlight, just beautiful. Has a nice luster on it. It doesn't feel dry at all, like, whatsoever. But they do have other options for higher density, so that's just what I got sent. But other than that, it's just gorgeous, you guys. Definitely recommend. It's so cute. I'm thinking about doing some like curtain bangs to this wig, possibly. Like, can you just imagine like it layered? Comment below if you have any questions about this wig that I might be able to answer. I'll let you know, and we'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.